So if you're a host, manager, or agency that is interested in earning more revenue from your rental properties, establishing a business, taking it to the next level, making more bookings, becoming independent, expanding your exposure, and maximizing your rental revenue, then you have come to the right place. My name is Jay William. I'm the CEO of Villa Marketers. I've been marketing vacation rentals since 2005. I lead a whole team of vacation rental marketing experts. I've been in this business a long time. I've started out from furnishing these vacation rentals. I am a licensed realtor specializing in vacation rentals. I'm a blogger, a consultant. I work with some of the largest companies in the world, such as TripAdvisor. This is the place to learn about vacation rentals. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, so as we drop the latest tips, techniques, tactics, and tools that professionals use to bolster those bookings, you get instantly notified and you can put that into practice for your own business. By the way, if there's an issue that you're having, some sort of challenge that you're facing and you're having difficulty overcoming it, drop that in the comment section below. I may be able to help you there. If not, I may even create a video if it's something that other hosts are experiencing issues with as well. Once again, my name is Jay William. Thank you for checking out our channel.